Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Spirit Seeking with Pratick on Sound Health Solution. In our previous videos, we spoke about anxiety and panic attacks and how to get rid of them, how to heal them on one level. And we've also been speaking about mudras and chakras. However, in this episode, I wanted to speak and I wanted to discuss about another interesting topic, which is past lives. So in this earth, we have different schools of thoughts regarding past lives. Some people believe that it is true, that we have multiple past lives, whereas other schools of thoughts do not believe that we are born again and again. Right? For example, in the Middle Eastern and Western cultures of Judaism, in Christianity, in Islam, we do not believe that we are born again and again and again. We believe that we have one life, and once you're dead, you're supposed to wait for the judgment day, and when judgment day arrives, you're either put into heaven or hell. However, in other religions, other school of thoughts, there is a very strong belief of past lives, especially in Buddhism and Hinduism. Hinduism believes that you need to go through 8.5 million lives in order to be born as a human. So 8.5 million lives includes rocks, sands, bugs, all kinds of creatures. You evolve through all of that, and then you become a human. Buddhism also has a similar belief. It believes that a conscious being always travels from one life to another, right? In this regard, recently I consumed a very interesting piece of information about how lives in general work. So it says that all of us are energy. I completely believe in that. Energy cannot be destroyed or created. It can just be transferred from one place to another and transformed from one kind of energy to another kind of energy, right? So what this belief says is that you are a conscious energy, right? And there are realms, there are different realms in the universe. There is a realm which controls life and death. And for the sake of understanding, there's another realm of compassion. So let's get this, so let's try to understand this. There's a realm of life and death, which means that realm controls you coming back into Earth or any other planet for that matter, and then going back. And then there's another realm of compassion, right? So you are a conscious energy, right? A bundle of conscious energy. What happens is, before you take any physical form, before your energy gets transformed into any physical form, you are given 3 to 4 options, different options, which outline the life you are going to live if you choose them. Choose one of them as an option. For example, you have option A and B. Option A might say that you might be born in the Middle East, and the main lesson that you need to learn from this life is compassion. Whereas another option might be that you will be born to a rich family in, say, Las Vegas, and the purpose of this life is for you to understand that human life is made to help others. And accordingly, you choose one option and take that form and learn that lesson, and then you die. And once you die, you leave your physical form, you leave your physical body, the conscious energy leaves the physical body and goes back to the realm of life and death. easily understood, right? However, the interesting thing is that once you completely learn all the lessons of the universe, the lessons of existence, now when you die as an enlightened person, and you do not go back to the realm of living and the dead. You go to the realm of compassion, the second realm. And you stay in that realm for a while, enjoy the never-ending peace and happiness and prosperity. And then after a while, you are sent back to earth, this time not to learn, but to help others learn, right? The universal conscious energy, or say the God energy, asks you to come back to earth in a physical form so that you can help other people. And it is believed that Buddha, Jesus, Mahavir, all those saints, all those saintly people, all those enlightened people came back on their own will from the realm of compassion and not from the realm of life and death. They came back from the realm of compassion in order to help all the other human beings find that same peace, happiness, and prosperity and that enlightenment. Right? Stories also say that Buddha, after his enlightenment, hasn't really stepped into the realm of enlightenment, because Buddha is so compassionate that he wants all of the human beings to pass through, all of the living creatures to pass through the doors of life and death into the realm of compassion and then into the realm of enlightenment before him. He doesn't want to leave anybody behind. So therefore, he's going to time and again appear on this earth in order to help all the creatures in this earth. So that was a piece of information I recently consumed about past life. What do you guys think about past life? Do you think it exists? Do you think it does not? Let us know in the comments down below. And if you liked this video, do not forget to press the like button. And if you like whatever is happening in Sound Health Solution, do not forget to subscribe to us. We shall come to you with more videos like these. And let's build a community of new age enlightened human beings. Until next time.